Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be unboxing Neewer Z2 flash. I bought this flash on Amazon, but you can buy it in any other online store. It's a Canon version, round-headed flash. Let's see what's inside. We have flash holder. We can use it as off-camera flash. Then we have plug-in socket, right, and we have a port where you can put the battery in and the charging it. Then we have a battery itself with a 456 full powered flash. It's good, you can use it a lot. Cable itself. Then we have flash, it's in the pouch. Let's open it up. See, yes, it's inside, it's out. Yeah, round-headed flash. I do like it. It's nice little weight. Take off the film. Big screen. Neewer. Let's see. Flash have two modeling lights, so the both are modeling. Put the battery in, power on, have a nice big screen, modern. I do like it. From 256 to full power, you can rotate it like that. Click on, so it's secured locked on the camera. That's the modeling light there. It stays on a standby, shows this clock. And C port for the charging. You can charge it on the go in the car. That's the C cable, USB. And you can update the flash by plugging in. Also have a metal thread, so it's secure. And you have a little pouch, soft, could be more secure at the top.